How do you make your eggs? I'm going to show you a very easy way in which I enjoy my eggs nowadays. So with me here are my ingredients. I have some salt, I have some secret ingredient that I'm going to mention in a few, and I have an egg. And without further ado, let's get started. So not so long ago, I wouldn't take eggs without diluting them because I was egg intolerant. That means that when I had an egg without diluting it with either water or milk, my stomach would start trembling. So whenever I had to take an egg, I used to dilute it. I was also lactose intolerant. That means I wouldn't take milk comfortably, and if at all I had to take milk, I had to really dilute it. But since I was delivered from those shackles, today I'm having an egg and some milk, and this is the secret ingredient, some garlic powder. I really love how this tastes, and I always add it to my eggs nowadays. Then I'm just going to go in with a small pinch of salt. So for the garlic powder, you can add as much as you like it or as little as you may prefer. And if at all you have it, please make sure you do add it. So nowadays I no longer dilute my eggs, but if at all you have the same problem, you can always dilute your eggs with some water or some milk. So once my pan is hot enough, I'll just go in with about quarter teaspoon of cooking oil. Then I'm going to spread this around. Then I'm going to add in my egg, and I like my eggs well done, so I'm going to cook it till it's well done on both sides. So once the top part has also set, I'm going to flip it. And I'm going to cook this other side till it also has a really nice golden color. Then my egg will be ready. I'll switch that off, and this is ready to be served and enjoyed. So remember to salt your vegetables, and I've salted my tomatoes. I've served mine with some cold chilled milk, and this is what I'm having for breakfast, so I'll give this a taste test. Wow. The flavors from the garlic, also the aroma from the garlic powder, you definitely have to include it. This is amazing. So that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try it my way. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.